Restart. Connection problem. Oh my God. Oh, restart po. Nasa isip ka. Thank you so much. Restart po, restart. Thank you. Oh my God. Restart po kasi the connection problem. Nasa isip ka. Napapanaginip. Kahit saan man punta. Araw, gabi.
Pares nakapasa sa bar exam.
Ano ka?
Abogado. Pero inimod niya so anak niya inimod di man niya inimod sa diri niya na pangaran di makapasa anak niya inimod talaga niya. Sa inimod para ibi. Nag-exam na pala niya din na nakasdiri man siya nakapasa dati. Bata pa lang pala, ano na siya sa ama, ano sa birth.
Oras pa natin.
Wala didi, may didi. Yari daw.
Oh my God. Hi. 6 people. Hello. Hi, who's Joe Marmalo? Joe Marmalo. Wow. Say, gabi tayo na, araw-gabi tayong dalawa, araw-gabi. Thank you for the likes. Thank you po. Oh my God. Nasa isip ka, napapaningin. Kada tabi ni
Ay!
Ashley. Salamat.
Oh!
Kada sila. Wala pa.
Araw gabi
Buka na yun, Ash, na ano mo?
nasa isip. Papagin.
Ikaw, kadidalagan mo pag nadaka ka lang, ha? Pag nadaka ka lang.
Sorry.
Sorry mo doon.
Pakiram daw to.
Ah, nagulit ka?
Bro, bago na kung hindi natin hindi na bago.
Tapos. Ito lang, diwa.
Oo.
Pwede mabalik ka pa.
Oo. Doon ako may dala na bago.
Parang hindi ka mapalitan.
Ano rin? Right na.
Ay, parang sa doon ko ako. Ano ay?
Hello, thank you, 12 people. Rahan, Chacharak, Golden. Irene. Irene. Pagayong-gayong, saan basa? Ha? O, diba? Sino may paano pag nanginay mo doon na ano, babasahan niya. Nag-jacket nga yun na magayo, di o. Pagayong-gayong, saan binasahan?
Wala ka na mabasahan.
Grabe yan.
Grabe. So tell me where we would stop. Cause it's breaking my heart. Don't wanna let her go. I'm bugat. Where did I? Ganda ko, ano? Tell me where did I start? for the likes. It's alright. Binibinit ang aking pag-ibig. I think don't wanna let her go. Sipag. Say hi.
Sipag-sipag.
Someday, maybe my love. Gabi na naman. Sanjo. Sanjo. Sanjo Ed Raising. He. Where you from, Sanjo? Kuya Dre. My jowa break up with me again. Then went to Jollibee and was happy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Jollibee is real. My gosh. Oh my. Sri Lanka. Nice to meet you, Sanjo. My god. Jollibee. Jollibee. The Jollibee is for the tampo. Good for the tampo. Tampo jowa. Jollibee for tampo jowa. You work? I'm at home. That's 30 million. Where are you from? 13 million in the house. Your jowa, Kuya Dre. Tampo. Very tampo, my goodness. The gamot sa tampo is Jollibee. Jollibee is the medicine for tampo. Filipina jowa, my goodness. Jollibee. Taiwan. Jollibee, medicine for tampo jowa. My god, the Jollibee is the best medicine. My gulay. Tampo jowa. Only Jollibee. Filipina, yes. Kuko, Julian, Kuku. I don't like that word. I love you, darling. You love me. Saba bien. Julian. Saba. You're happy. Hobby? What hobby? Are you French? Cool. You're French. Jillian. Thank you for watching. 18 people here na. 7 likes. My gulay husband. He's my brother. I'm not French. I'm Filipina. Philippines. I'm from Philippines. Don't wanna let her go. you're married? Not yet married. Never been married pa. Never been married. My God. Think you invite France. Sanjo, I entertain you nice here on my live. So I don't like here the no the toxic no. I'm nice here, so don't be. Hi Tim, welcome back. I think my jowa just like Jollibee, Shikes and McDo. Like thank you 20 people in the house. Thank you for French. You've some beautiful hair. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Really. Thank you 23 people. Don't wanna let her go. Biglan, yes, I'm back because connection problem and first live, that's why. Thank you Biglan. Belgian. Thank you Biglan. Julian. Don't wanna let her go. Did it happen when you touch her phone? Ah, yes. Did it happen when I touch my phone, when I touch this? Because I want to pin your comment about my people. I want to pin that. But when I touch, I go to people, my account. So it's okay, I fix it now. Yeah, when I, better not drop your pin. It's okay po. It's okay. It's okay. It's always good to pin my people. It helps me a lot. That's what I thought happened. Yeah. Do you want me to drop it? Yes. Thank you, Biglan. Thank you so much. Don't wanna let her go. Sometime. Only heaven knows. It's easy to take. Thank you, Beglon. Yes, I do it perfect now. Thank you. Well, see what happened this time. Yes, I do it right now. My God. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you for joining, team. Drop it like. Yeah. Thank you, Big Line. I'm fine. How are you, Tim? I'm good here. Thank you, Big Line. Don't wanna let her go. Maybe my love will come back someday. Okay. Okay. You okay? Are you okay? Can I dance at the wedding? I got moves, yeah. You need to practice dance, Kuya Dre, for your jowa. You invite me to your wedding, Kuya Dre. Still in rehab. Still, pray for your fast recovery, team. I'm always praying for your fast recovery. So, get well, get well, get well soon. You will be okay. Thank you for joining here. Get well. Get well soon. Thank you so much. You are very beautiful. I want to marry you. I live in Turkey. Would you marry me? I don't know you, Adilai. Okay, thanks. Always welcome. Team. Nice to see you here. My father is still sick, and so that's why I'm still here. My father is still not yet healed. We're getting married when I came back to Philippines. I will invite you if you're serious. Yes, thank you, Kuya Dre. Can you invite me please for your wedding? Sige, nakuha na lang ako. Thank you, Kuya. Jollibee. I'm serious, Kuya. Hope you invite me for your wedding. Oh my god, it's a pleasure. Karsan, Asala, hello, Karsan. Hi, Russ. Russ. Maybe the love will come. Thank you, 9 people. Thanks a lot. Russ, I've been there before. They blocked me. I will be noticed. What? What, Russ? I've been here before. They blocked me. I'll be nice. Really, Russ? Who? Sorry. Ciao, bellissima. Sorry, Rush. What happened? Maybe just misunderstand. So, I don't know. Sometimes only to belly. Thank you po. Sorry, Paul. Sorry, Paul. Okay, bye. Thank you. Thank you for joining here. Take care. And get well soon. Need the rest. Bye-bye. Thank you for joining. I will invite you. Seriously, she wants to meet you. Yay! Thank you, Kuya. Please invite me. Thank you po, Kuya, for inviting me. My God. Thank you po. When your wedding? When your wedding, Kuya Trey? Good morning, Sooner Paul. Good morning. Hello! Tuloy! Tuloy po sila. Ay, wala din si Mamay. Ambot kinain naman. Ay, si Mamay. Oh, Yade. Okay, bye. Bye, team. Okay, bye, team. Thank you for joining, team. She's been on your live, but just didn't say anything. Okay. Thank you, Kuya. Oh my God. Thank you, Kuya, and thank you for your jowa. Say hi to your jowa, Kuya Dre. Helen Louise. Helen Louise. Bonjour, Cherry Martini. Bonjour. You, my body. Good, you, my father, good. Good, you, my father, good. So tell me why do it start? Cause it's breaking. Thank you, 15 million. To wanna let her go. Amor, love you. Amor. Lynn Louis. I should be back in the Philippines. Vermont. Oh my God. You getting married, Kuya? Jitambiku. Ross, her dad needs a package of cigarettes. Huh? Her dad needs a package of cigarettes? What? What do you mean? Ross. Tribal fam. Tribal. Kamichi. Hi, Kamichi. Hey, Kamichi. Mifa Ben and she's solo. What? Thank you, Kuya Dre. Someday only. Kamichi. you my country, yes. Insert name here. Good evening. Insert name here. Thank you, likes. Dadang! Pahingi ako, dang! Oh my gulay! Sudodang!
Basta kailangan ng tabihan nila.
Pailawon ko na nila. Lala, wawa. Wala na? Wala na? Pagis man si Malu, wawa. Kis wawa ka man. Wala na? Di man ako maayo, makis lang ako. Where are you in Philippines? Sorsogon. I live in Bicol province. Nicotine has benefits when they're nearly gone. Huh? Russ? I don't understand what you're saying. Kebela Bambena. Okay, I think you might have told me that once before, yeah. I'm always say that even before. Where do I live? Okay. What does it hurt me so? Sometimes only heaven knows. Maybe your heart's a Thank you po. Huh? Hello. Hi, Dustin. Is it warm there tonight? Yeah, warm weather here. Where are you from? Insert name here. Where are you from? Tommy. My God, Tommy. Nanan. Tommy, Tommy.
Umigo, uno. Sabi lang niya. Umigo na lang. Umigo.
I've been on WhatsApp all day long together, huh? Eh, Russ. Where are you from, Russ? Hindi ngayon kailan ba ang tamang panahon? Kailan ba titiis ibang ba sa tingin?
Daddy.
Rugado.
Hindi ang bata, di masugang pag makado.
Masunod ka pala. Nakaka-view na ako sa mga rapper ko. Ang kadami. Doon. Ito, sa ano? Sa bus.
Bigyan ka ng palinggo. Pinamuwa ba?
Kaya pag ato dito, hanggang 31 pa mo dito. Na-extend pa ni ko si Mel. Pwede ko na yung kaya. Dapat sa ano?
Kaya na ilabas na rin mo doon.
Hindi na, negosyo sa Rosin. Hindi sa hindi na negosyo na dahil ko. Kay barangay, gaba. So, maagi sa ano, sa Jesus, depende kay kung may mga negosyo na dahil ko. Sa ano, sa Bagsangan, Pornet sa highway. Ano? May nagkuha pa ng business pa. May, si Kabong may bago na ano, na Skywell na ano, yun na, hotel. Hindi. Ito sa may highway. Sa may highway. Bago na. Kalid ka. Kalay. Maano ako, sinanasugo ako uring. Ulungan ko pa inti.
Dapat nagbawa kasi nilog sa dawa para pag ano mga pinag...
Ngayon nga ni, kaya lang ano, nagtitipid ako kay... Wato pa sa February pa.
Mas makaano ka lugod sa oras mo. Ano ka pa.
Sa February pa sahod na mo.
Oo, wala kaming stipend.
Kasi padak na matulog-tugad.
Ay.
Ito ba na ordinance resolution? May ito sa pili mo dito sa mo. Dito mismo. Tapos wala man ako dito ganahan kay ano. Sulit Hi, Sir Fred. Silent stream. No, I just put the no. It's muted. Intentionally muted because the topic is very personal and sensitive. Hi, John B. Welcome here again. Thank you, John B. Wow, she speaks. Yeah, I muted because we talk about the very personal. So thank you so much. Stop. Huh? I'm not talking. I'm good. Yeah. Oh my God, Sir Fred. She wants to go shopping. Come on, let's go. Oh, Ross? Where are you from, Ross? Back, gentlemen. Good to hear from you. Welcome back. Sheryl Ohm. Hi, Alicia. Kylie. Thank you, Alicia. Matthias. Greetings from Germany. Thank you, Matthias. Thank you po. Checking her out. Make sure she's doing all right. Yeah, she's good. Ben, what's up all day long? What? Ross. John B. Oh my God, crazy. Sir Fred, crazy. The bully man. My God, we're not talking about that. Oh my, this is about my gulay. Your fans are active today. Yes, I hope. Thank you, John Bay. Haras. I'm downtown Sydney, Australia. So many Philippines here. Nice people, working hard. A lot of money. They love cash. Yeah. That's why. That's why they're working abroad for money. That's why they do it for hard work because of money. So, no need. If you have lots of money, don't hesitate. Rush to send the super chat here. Don't be shy, okay? Wow, you're blushing. My blushing the brown skin. She was talking about Yes. I was talking about and the Kwan. Oh, hi, Bellissima Sorizo. Talking about and Kwan, yeah. Oh my God. King David, thanks still not advanced, please po. I don't know. I will search for the but I didn't find King David. Did their job. They getting a manager position. Good people. That's great. That's great for Rush. The Rush. Hold your breath and It's okay if you hit me po. I don't hate you. I'm not. I'm not hate you, King David. Remember who banned you? Not me. Remember? You know the reason why he banned you. And hope you understand me right, King David. I don't want a job. Sorry, Fred. I understand. She hits me. I tease her. true, and we might fall in love. Wish. Oh, wait, I need to sing a song. Harder better may find it might come true, and we might fall in love. King relax. Ano and Kuan. The ano and the Kuan is a very interesting. Diba, John B, Sir John B, the ano and the Kuan is very interesting here on the Philippines. Oh my God. I saw your heaven dance video. Ah, yes. Thank you, John B. Sir John B, thank you. Don't look aside. There's a star in the sky tonight, and it trembles like my heart. In this world, we're all alone, so close yet so far. My heart would never lie. I can feel you want me to. I can feel you want me to. And if the stars should fall, then baby, what should I do? You should do lots more dance videos. Your tongue. Oh, thank you, Sir John Bay. I like dancing po. Hold your breath and we may find it might come true. And a starry night. I wish, look into my eyes and wish, reach up that a dream is there for me and you. The starry night. Oh my God! Malabo na, Gab! Di ka pa nagano, Gab! Ay, tumba na! Ka! Try mo! Hey, Jay! Hello! I'm in this world alone tonight. I said I don't. Thank you, 11 people in the house. She Jackpot singing with her beautiful voice. Where are you from, Roz? From Australia pala, sorry. I forgot. And in this world alone tonight, lagi kasama ang pag-ibig mo dito sa puso ko. Fresh. Sana bawat bukas ay thank you, 10 million. Sounds like a basketball game in the background. Yes. That's basketball. The basketball at the background. My God. The Ross, Sydney, Australia, don't forget it. Yeah, okay. Okay, Ross, don't forget. The basketball court outside. So close. Gerard, Santi, hi. Ay, thank you. Okay. Salamat. Their ears hear all the ano and the kuwan. The ano and the kuwan. Just a dream. Dano and the kuwan. May gulay. Dito sa puso ko. Thank you for the likes ko.
Jayla. Si Jayla man. Tito.
Headed through the wall, yeah. Headed through the wall. Childcare center, they got many little Nenki. Thank you, 10 people. The song, I searched the song. Pag-ibig sana'y laging iisip. And be mindful. Thank you po. Hi, una delissima episode. What to play your favorite song? Yeah, the favorite. Yeah, the favorite song. The favorite song. No, that's not candy. No, not. Oh my god. That's not a candy. Oh. I'm curious which is favorite song. The girl. I'm actually my favorite song is that's it called? Oh my god. Lead me Lord. No, Sir Fred, no. No, not candy. My gulay. Oh, nawala na ako. I'm not focusing. You love that? No. My God, come now. Oh my God, Sir Fred. Candy shop. The candy shop. Russell Charette. Hi, Russell Charette. Hi. Candy shop. Ay, nako. Ay, nako. Nawala na ako yung sa focus ko. It will be candy. Some shithead likes me. I change account. Oh my god. Russell? Oh my god. Hey May. Good evening. The picture of your smile, 'cause every time I close my eyes, you came alive. The closer I get to touching you, the closer I get to loving you. Cheryl, your fans are persistent. Oh my god. Might be Freddy. No, he's not. He's not. Sir Fred, not do that. And keep that up. This will be black also. Oh my god. Pinagbintangan pa si ano eh. Grabe ang pinit-pinit dito sa luwas. He's giving me a warning. Yes, warning. Yes, me too. I always choose to positive and just good vibes. So that's why I ignore not you, Russell. I Russell me. I put you on the timeout because I don't like the comment. Sorry. It's me. No, not Sir Fred. Not everyone here. Not Sir John. So it's me. It's me. It's about me. Sana bawat bukas I wasn't even talking about Russell. Yes. Because his comment suddenly he's good at first and suddenly about sorry Russell, your comment inappropriate my here, so that's why. No, it's not a black you. No, not black you, but it's just I just put you on a timeout. So hey Tony from Melbourne. Hi Tony. It was the mangi comment. Yes, poor choice of word. Yes, about the mangi. So I want the yes, Sir John B. About the mangi. So not good for me. That not good here for my channel. So I'm not put you on that Russ. Just I put you on the timer. So okay, no worries about being nice. How are you? I'm fine. Sorry Russell. Sorry Russ. Just put you on the timeout, not a band. Okay. Because it was Russell come back and with that language. Had a bad day here. Why bad day? Raining here in Melbourne. I don't want to stress myself. That's why. Sorry for. I have a lot of problem here, so I don't want to additional. Maybe need to less than additional. I'll swap left. There's another million Philippines on here. Russell Charette. Thank you so much for joining everyone here na 17 thumbs up. Well, sure, think of March. Yeah. Hey, I'm back, Ali Chick. Hi, Ali. Yeah, I think of March. I was son of a what who kills 17 million here now. Good evening, Cheryl from Victoria, Australia. Hi, Sir Jeff Smith from Australia. Thank you, Bob, for joining. Son of a where? What are you doing there? Here? I'm doing live. I'm talking to you guys here. When you and Mike come here, Ian coming also. Maybe on Mike's birthday. I said it's good to Mike celebrate birthday there on your mansion on the mountain. It's perfect for bonding. Thank you, Kenneth, Sir Kenneth. Thank you so much, Sir Kenneth. Thank you, Sir Kenneth. My gulay. Whose birthday? Mike. Mike's birthday is April 9. Right? Ah, his birthday on April. Oh my god, 8. His birthday already having wedding here. April 8 his birthday, so I think perfect to celebrate there. Well, gonna cost Mike a lot of beria. A lot of beers. I will save my energy. You will like I even talk with you. Huh? I will save mine. April birthday, April wedding. What a birthday present. Yeah, April birthday. The birthday is on April. Why is it for life, Brazil? Yeah. Chill out. Chill. What do you mean, Russell Charette? Chill out means calm down. Calm down, Russell. Oh my god. Shell, do you draw much? Draw? What do you mean, Sir Jandy? Cheryl, hi, kumusta na? Long time no see. Kumusta? Long time no see, Mardoke de la Fuente. Okay lang. Well, long time no here. Janby, what do you mean? I will draw? I will draw much? What it means? Long time no here, yes. Long time no here. Drawing. Have you played picture? No. No, I'm not. I'm not drawing. I'm not playing Pictionary, no. Cause she's only got 10 viewers. You can't block anyone. Philip Flintstone. Oh my god. Russell, calm down. I do that to to you, not Sir Fred. Not not blacking you. Just put you the time out. It's not a blacking. Thank you, Sir Fred. My God. Hey Thomas, hi from Denmark. You look amazing. Thank you, Thomas. Thomas. I times him out. Yeah. Thank you, Sir Fred. No drama, yes. I don't like drama. Ch ch ch. Good evening, sir. Good evening to you all your friends. Hi, Sir Fred. She's my sister, Christy. She's my sister. Since she wouldn't let me pick, yeah. Yes. I'll let you because you're my monitor, my moderator. Thank you, Sir Fred. I wonder how long before he's back on third account. John Bing, oh my God. Maybe so easy because oh my God. Maybe it's so fast. Before, when I joined this, on 2020, oh my God, 10 accounts, every blogger is on that time. So that's why so many backup accounts. Dr. Petrobes, Fred Farrell, are you familiar with the Ventures Band from Sir Dr. Petrobes? Thank you. 19 people in the house. Hit the likes. 20. Noval Abad. Hi, Noval Abad. 10 million. Kevin McConnell. Hi. So tell me where the wood start. No, doctor, but we'll look it up. Omega is clever. Sheryl Ohm, my friend. Hi, have you eaten dinner? Not yet. But I ate early dinner. Food for dinner. So I think it's late lunch snack for afternoon. Maybe I will eat dinner midnight here. It's all good, sir. Yes. Dr. Petrovich. Thank you so much for joining here. 20 likes. Just tell me where the words lie, cause it's breaking my heart. Don't wanna let her go. My gulay. Still waiting for the candy song. Oh, serve Jan B. I don't want to play here. Oh my god, no. Never. No, don't. What kind of music is it, doctor? John B, I don't want to play here. Oh my god. Why not, sir? No. Hey, Cheryl, just finished my late dinner. Dinner? Late dinner? Oh my gulay, candy milk. Sir Fred, Sir Fred. Fred Farrell surf music. Great song. Oh my god. Hi, Mike. My god. Mike, I'm pissing here. My god. What the song? My god. Pergi dia. I will check it out, doctor, because that's all I do in my streams is play music and take requests. But I never request that song from Candy. Sir Fred, I'm not request the song then. My gulay. Ah. You love that song, Cheryl. Fred, you're always dissing first me, now both of us. Look. Hello, sir, Mr. Wonderful. How you doing? Hi, Mr. Wonderful. I'm doing fine. I'm doing live here, talking to you here. He included here by same bird from you in here. Oh my god, I have a beer. Oh my god, wait, I need to drink the beer. Oh my god, the beer. wait. Oh my god, just wait. Oh my god, so noisy. Cheryl, do you look familiar? Sir? Familiar? Cheryl, you do look familiar? What it means? Sir John B. Look familiar for what? John B? You do look familiar. What do you mean, Sir John B?
Tita, may alcohol ka na?
Wara alcohol.
Ito, oh.
Di ba yung alcohol? Asa itsura yon. You look like Sheryl. Aray ko.
Tita.
Ano ba nakalive ako? Oh my God, Jan
Ay,
Jen.
20.
Ay,
20.
may pa 2020 pa ha. Oh, pen yan. Pen yan ha. 5 yun ang isa. Oh, have you met Cher?
5. Tita. Kailan 5 dili?
Yeah.
Ate.
Have you met Sheryl?
Bakit pwede?
Has Sheryl met you? I think we met in our previous life. Huh? Previous life? Mr. World, wonderful. Where are you from? No, no, Sheryl looks like her. Mr. Wonderful, where are you from? Have you met Sheryl? You make me, my God, the jokes of her jumping. I wonder why you talk about her. Looks familiar. Sure, you do look familiar. Which came first, the shell or the egg? Oh, my God, the chicken or the egg? Yeah, thank you. Ouch. Sir Fred, the samig apple. The samig apple or the egg or Sheryl? I don't know. I don't know how to, maybe it's me. Uh-oh, bird time. Yes, the bear. Samig apple. My gula. That's the samig apple here is coming out. Thank you for the samig apple. Oh my God. Samig apple. Hope samig apple, more samig apple. Yeah. Now, Mike, see why I scam him a lot. My God,
May alak. Guys, sabi na kanto tayo.
Kayo.
Nakuha alam ko.
Thank you so much for the samig apple. Mike, I hear your birthday is April. I will scam more beer for us. Lucas. Hi, Lucas.
Naibod na ra.
Hi, Michelle.
Baolak pa siya. Mo pa yung magkagagaya. Ayun naman ito.
Hindi man. Hindi man yung nakahubog ng God. Kaya pang babae yun.
Wala.
Mm.
Pagdubog yun. Pagalita naman si Dada. Mag-inom. Palagi lang pinapagalita ng mama.
Mm.
Alam pa ko. Eh, sige. Gusto ko. Straight.
Hi, Miss Cheryl. Hi, Miss Cheryl. Yes, thank you. Yes, Fred. Come someone. Please come someone else for beer for us on my birthday. Wow.
Tita, hot dog. Cheers. Tita, hot dog. Cheers.
You cover the whole bottle with hands when you drink. Okay. It needs to ano? Okay, wait. Oh no, you. Oh no. Mike, you're the official guy with scam. Elia. Alice, hi Alice. You're so beautiful daughter. It's so cute. She's not my daughter.
Iba ko sa sisip.
She's my niece. You think I care about your birthday? Oh my god, you're only getting older.
Hot dog. Hot dog, guys. Bawa mo ko?
Oh my god. Well, I think you need to go back to work.
Kahit pa man, straight.
Oh, sorry, your niece is cute. Thank you. Oh my god. Sir John B. Yeah. Fred only cares about bear and candy song. Oh my god. That's right. Sir John B. He said the word. Oh my gulay.
Tita, mo da, parang hotdog. Tita, parang
The funny guy.
ano guys, burger.
To be fair, the word is offensive. The word is offensive. God help me. He gets me everywhere. I'm screwed. Oh my god. No, John, I care about bear. Cheryl cares about me.
So guys, galing kami Jollibee, kaya nagkain kami.
Oh my god. Sir Fred, no. My gulay. The
Tita, diri mo ibutang na dito, no? Dada mo ibutang, tita, ah. Tita, yan, diri mo ibutang na dada.
My look at her laughing and blushing. My god.
Ngayon guys, kami, Jollibee kaya nagkakain kami sa gabi na guys.
Fred, take it easy. Still 8 weeks. John, you know what song we're talking about? Yes, Kido reporting the news to us. Yes. Oh my God. I have a reporter here. She said, guys, we're going to Jollibee. Something like that. Say something? Ano pa sabihin mo?
Burger guys, galing kami Jollibee. Pagod kami guys, kaya kakain kami sa gabi na guys, naabutan kami guys.
My God.
Ang gas.
You should listen to it, John. Oh my God. Don't listen, John. Oh my gulay. Fred, nah. I don't know which song. There are lots of candy songs. It's called... It's called Candy Liquor. By Marvin Case. By Marvin says, oh my God. You drinking beer? Yes, Santos ready. Reporting live from Jollibee, yes. It's just, he making like the piatos and dano. They said it's like, it's look like the burger from Jollibee. She imagine a burger, it's burger from Jollibee. I'm drinking now also. I will look up it up, Fred. Oh my God. Oh my gulay. Fred, 3 we call when done stream. It's actually pretty good, John. Oh my mic, oh my God. Hi, Millie Vanelli. Thomas, would you like to come Denmark? Why? Why I need to come? Do you offer a job for me? No other words, Mike wants 3 we call so I can be marriage counselor. Don't tell Fred I'm back. What? Sir Fred here.
Maglabs ako kay matihiun. English ako dyan. Ano na?
Dapat diri mo imbutang mo yan, Didi. Oh. Kaya nagagapangan yan sa dito. 16 people in the house. Don't tell me, Russell. My God. Yes, Fred need to counsel us. Yes, need a counsel. Yes. There's a lot of good jobs in Denmark. Like what? Like what jobs in Denmark? I got a written warning. John B, yes. I'm calculating the burr cost, Mike.
Burger lang po.
That took longer than I expected. Yeah, me too. Yeah, me too, Sir John B. My God.
Practice pa po yan natin. Practice pa po yan natin.
But here it's damn cold here. Damn cold. But if have a heater, it will be fine.
Yeah po.
Yes, John, it's a long song. A long song. Pagayon sa bado niya.
Teka, hindi ka man doon. Nga ba? Ano yung
Ito pa. What would you like to work with? Huh?
Di pa po kami.
Fred, I meant Russell number 3. Haven't looked up the song yet.
Burger lang.
Maybe he need to search what the song is. Oh my God. Fred, I'm going claim you on my taxes. Fees for marriage counseling. Lul. Oh, okay, Raza.
Isa po. May nag-rip up nasa sound.
Beautiful your stomach.
Pwede na po. Thank you po. Ito pa po.
Your stomach.
Parang thank you po. Hasat tissue.
Oh my God. How come getting black all the time? I'm being nice to beautiful girl. You're not black. Just photo on the timeout. Santos enough with the stomach. Here are so many jobs. Which job would you like? Housekeeping, something like that. Waitress.
Burger pa po. Salamat po.
Caregiver.
Malibre pa po sa
Yes, working on a hotel, something like that. But if I get married, no, I'm not working outside the country because you don't need to job. Yes. If I'm getting married, I don't need the job. Just stay here in the Philippines. I take care of my family, my partner in life. If ever.
Malibre pa po na.
Mom, she doesn't need job. Just good husband to take care of her. No need to work. Yes. Thank you. Putting up with a husband is a full-time job. That's right. Well done. I need to find her a good husband and Mike. Thank you so much for joining. Justin. Oh my god, a little too drunk. And you text. Hi Cheryl sa mga babaeng ganyan. Hi Cheryl sa mga babaeng ganyan. Hindi mo kailangan ng steam roll. What do you mean, Andre? What do you mean? Paki-explain ko. Jutem Fred. Jutem, huh? Blue was my favorite color before, but the black meal it's done, Cheryl. Oh my god. Mehmet oh Wendy. Aray. Oh. Wendy. 10 people. 10 people here. Cheryl color. My color. My color is Thank you for the likes po. Oh my god. I'm using translator mic. I want some of those translator earbuds. Oh, sorry. Uy, ayaw.
Assalamualaikum Saria. Bawal. Basta, diri mo yung ano, kay bawal.
Bawal. I had to. I had to look into them, John. Don't worry, guys. I'm a lip reader. No translation needed. Wow. I didn't even know about them. I'm not into tech. I saw them on my Korean boyfriend show. Ever you're in my arms again. What is happiness? Everyone like and subscribe. Thank you. Hi, Alan Wall. Greetings from the United Kingdom. Thank you po. Your favorite color is gold. Real gold. 24 Carahol. Carahol. I don't think. Karat. Karat. Oh my god. I no jewelry on my end. Even the no. Here, no jewelry. So I don't know how. So I don't know how. What I don't know about that. After you like the stream, tapping the heart icon also helps push the stream and the algorithm. Thank you, John Lee. Thank you so much, John Lee. Nowhere Cheryl Mike will get them. Really, Sir Fred? Hindi magabagam someday. I guarantee it. Wow. Walter French. Walter Franzen. Hi, Walter Franzen. Ciao. Ciao. Hindi magabagam right, Mike? Walang magawa si Mike.
Halika na dito, matulog na.
May tamabuot na pinakamalaki. Uy!
Put me a moderator. I will block the shitheads. I get a few in my own. You just spread real white gold and real diamonds. Wow. He might be having a stroke. I keep his. Thank you, Sir Fred. Third account. He might be a stroke. I kept scamming him. That guy don't know when to shut up. He will come back with another account. Oh my god, who's this man? Who's this guy? I don't know him. Cheryl, which is best, yellow or white gold? Both. I like both. White gold. Yellow. I like yellow. I don't know because I have no I don't know why. I have lots of white and yellow. Wow, Sir Fred. Hey, brother. Kuya Ian, have I missed something? Kuya Ian, thank you po. Maybe my love can be. Yes, Fred, we know you're gay. Thank you guys. Thank you, Mike. And the wife likes white gold. I like my yellow, so I both vote for me. Yeah, I like both. It looks good because of the good evening, Kuya Ian. Good evening po. Hi, Sir Ian. Get it right, Mike. I'm transgender. Mike sold my credit cards for Jewel's Shorn Estate. So, oh, wow, that's great. Also, you're a switch hitter.
Mini, 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 mini. Kaya ade.
Thank you po. Ay, pag-inom mo yan. Yes, Mike, but I'm on top. Wow. You're on top. Remember that when you visit, Cheryl, maybe we can scam Fred out of one of his several credit cards. Maybe. Don't forget Mike, my brother going to be here also. Sorry.
Oh, naka-double kill.
Never happened, Mike.
Naka-double kill.
We have to know when and if Mike is going to be there. Yeah. Talaga. Di mo na yung paggawa na mati yun na yun. Mati na yun. Ayun na. Ayaw na. Mati na yun. And I will be alone, so I need a partner. Oh, you'll be alone? Where's your, your wife? What? Ian, maybe we can come to friends over my birthday on April 6th to 12. Damn, my last shot only has 13 views. Oh, what happened? Shorts? What's your shorts? I'm your partner in crime, yan. uh, Fred, that's because you didn't bully enough today. Oh, Fred, you want to cuddle with me in the evening, Mauricio, hi Mauricio. I must have bullied enough today. Got bear from you. Sure, and why not? I will make my wife sleep on mattress on floor. Huh? Why? Uh, Wait, you will be with your wife and I will be listening to Michael. Kuya Ian. My God. Lol, Ian. My gulay. My God. Oh my God. Mike. I have a sensitive ears. Lol. My good. Sorry, I'm Fred. Maybe we need air plugs. Air plugs. Cheryl, you have to be extra quiet when we're at Fred's house. Why? No problem. I can hear those walls. Fred, Fred, don't forget the hidden cameras. Yes, the hidden camera. I'm not going to be able to sleep, Lord. That's going to be impossible here, being quiet, Mike. Oh, good idea yan. Yes! Dadang! Hi, thank you for joining, Sir Mike. Sir Fred, Mike, thank you. Sir Ian, Kuya Ian, thank you for joining po. Sir John B. Thanks a lot. I need to end the live now. Sounds like a fun trip. John B. Thank you, John B, for joining. I need to end the live. So thank you so much. God bless you, God bless you po. Thanks a lot. Oh my God. Thank you po. I need to end the live. Love you po. Love you. Oh no, she's running away. Ayan, I can see Mike searching for him. Counseling time. Yeah. Fred, when I move there, I'm going to go to work. Bye-bye. Thank you, Sir John B. Thank you so much. Kuya Ian, thank you. Sir Fred. Thank you, Mike. Love you all. Happy birthday! Happy birthday!